Few more set of questions, students. Here question starts from 20 till 19. I hope you are cleared with the questions, and let's move on to the question number 20. Okay, anemia is caused by the deficiency of, already I said the deficiency, this is of vitamins, minerals. You have to keep it in mind, understand? So it is very easy to solve this question. Okay, anemia is caused by the deficiency of iodine, calcium, iron, phosphorus. Anemia's main component is iron, and anemia deficiency is caused due to the deficiency of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin's main constituent, the main mineral contained in hemoglobin is iron. Understand, students? And iodine का क्या होता है? Goiter. This you have to keep it in mind. Iodine, this is called goiter, and this makes the bones brittle. Understand, students? This helps in coating of the bones. Understand? Phosphorus help in the coating of the bones. Deficiency, this is of iodine, causes. Now only I said goiter is the deficiency, this is of iodine. So deficiency, this is of iodine, causes goiter. Understand? Anemia caused due to deficiency of iron. Beriberi due to vitamin B. When you read all the diseases name, then it will be very easy. Rickets is the deficiency. This is of vitamin D. Understand, students? Scurvy is the deficiency. This is of vitamin C. And night blindness, loss of vision, these all are due to deficiency of vitamin A. Understand, students? Let's move on to the next question. Okay, which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B? B रहता है तो B से ही शुरू होता है. Understand? So here loss of vision. Already I said it is loss of vision. Wherever it see, there you can see that vitamin A. And beriberi, it is beriberi, scurvy, none of the above. So beriberi is the deficiency. This is of vitamin B, and scurvy is the deficiency. This is of vitamin C. This you have to keep it in mind. Read thoroughly the deficiency. This is of all vitamins. Understand, student? And the sources of vitamins also. Understand? Next question. Dash mineral is necessary for healthy bones. Which mineral is necessary for healthy bones? Iron, iodine, calcium, sodium. So iron is for hemoglobin, and iodine, I said that it is for this thyroid process, and calcium is important for the bones. Calcium, everyone says that when the bone is weak, they're saying that take calcium tablet. Understand, students? So calcium is very important for the bones. Understand? Let's move on to the next question, that is, which part of the body is affected by rickets? Rickets means it is a deficiency. This is caused by vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency is there, then it causes rickets. So what is the symptom of the rickets? So eyes, teeth, nerves and bones. So here what is happening in rickets? The bones are becoming soft. And one more thing, the source of vitamin D is sunlight. Understand? Morning sunlight is having very good source of vitamin D. Understand, students? Which of the following is not a nutrient? Nutrients में है ही नहीं. Nutrients, you said no, what are nutrients? Nutrients are the components of food that contains carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, mineral, fat, etc. etc. Understand? That are called vitamins. So which of the following is not a vitamin? Carbohydrate, fat, dietary fiber and protein. Carbohydrate, it gives us energy. Fat, it gives double energy. And dietary fiber, it is of no use. So this is the dietary fiber is not a nutrient, and protein, it is a bodybuilding thing. Understand, students? Let's move on to some keywords related to the choose the correct answer. And understand, students, and be thorough with that. Okay.